I use my new niche master tool to find all of these best-selling Christmas products with one click of a button. As you can see here, this is showing me nothing but bestsellers and popular nouns on Etsy, and I was able to find this very quickly utilizing my niche master tool. But what is even better is that I was able to utilize 2 top selling products on Etsy to create brand new designs that can sell extremely well on my Etsy shop, following top trends and best sellers. And I want to share with you how to find these top trends yourself so that you can start creating these products for your Etsy business and start making sales. I want to share this all with you coming up next. All right, so we're going to jump into the Niche Master. This is my tool I built for you that you can access totally for free for a limited amount of time. Simply comment in the comment section below the word niche, and I'll send this over to you absolutely for free. All right, so with that being said, let's head down over to the niche finder area. And we do have an option to select whatever product category we want to focus on. And I'm going to put in a specific niche that I know that's doing well, which is Christmas and coffee. And when I click on this little button here, it's going to send me to Etsy to see all the best selling products that's within that specific niche. So I want to put in Christmas and coffee. And then from here, I can search all the best sellers on Etsy. So I click on this here, and as you can see here, all of these here are bestsellers. We can see the bestsellers badge is indicated for all the results in the filters, and we can see this is definitely bringing in Christmas and coffee and Christmas themes just in general. And so we definitely want to focus on this. And as you can see, all these are making sales, all these are bestsellers, and so this is definitely our focus in regards to what we need to design. We're going to utilize some AI tools to remix this even further to bring some new things here. But again, if you're focusing on a specific product and you're not looking at the designs or doing your needs research to see what is selling well and what designs are best sellers, you're definitely designing in the dark. That's why this niche master tool is so important, and it is going to be extremely helpful moving forward. All right, so with that being said, we definitely see some really good examples of some products here that's doing well. Now our goal here is to find a design, and then we're going to remix this with one of my newest tools that's built within my Etsy membership community. It's going to help us design these products in a special way. And this new update to my membership is called Remix Studio. And what makes this so important is that instead of us just putting in a prompt by itself, we're definitely going to put in a prompt, but we're also going to use an image as a reference so we can definitely get the style right, the text right, and the overall aesthetics of the design. And then from there, we're able to remix that further into some really good designs, because we also have the option to add in a second reference image. And as you're going to see here, we're going to create some amazing designs by this. So with that being said, let's jump over into Etsy now that we find all of our best selling products with our niche finder. And then we're going to plug out a design that we're going to remix, and I'll share with you how easy that is with my new tool within my Etsy membership community. So here's a great design that's doing well. Again, it's popular now. Usually when I see a popular now, it's doing extremely well recently, right? Recently released, and it's doing extremely well now. And so we're definitely going to utilize this here. And the cool thing about this is all I have to do here is go into my Remix Studio page in my Creative Prompt tool. Again, I'm going to go ahead and upload this image. So I'm going to head over to paste, and then I'm just going to click on this here. And now this design is going to be a reference image that we're going to use to help us redesign and remix even further. All right, so here's this very special prompt that I put in, and essentially this prompt is all about the AI recognizing this reference image as our leading design. Now from here, again, we can set this to be different variations. From here, we're going to go ahead and click generate, and we'll see what we can gather as a result. All right, so this is what we were able to gather as a result, and you can just see just from a distance the similarities, the likeness, but also the differences in regards to this entire design style. So here's the original here where it says jolly and caffeinated. Look at the overall designs, the colors, just the whole vibe of the design itself. And then when we look at our example images here, we can see these came out extremely well. This one says holiday cheer, boost espresso express. This one here says Christmas cheer and espresso flair, definitely giving us some great variations. And that's how easy it is to get some different variations from these designs here. So again, if we do want to focus on a specific niche, let's say we do want to focus on Christmas, but we want to maybe add in a specific niche, like maybe a person like a mom or what have you, or we want to add mom and coffee to this. The only thing we have to do here at the bottom of the prompt is say, make this about mom and coffee with Christmas themes. And then from here, again, it's still going to take the likeness of our reference image, the colors, the style, the entire vibe of this design. And then it's going to infuse these areas here of mom, coffee, and Christmas together. So this time we're going to go ahead and boost this to 4 variations, and we'll see what we can gather as a result. All right, so here's the results that we were able to get. You can see this came out extremely well. Again, still following our theme, bringing in mom, and then definitely things about coffee, and still with the Christmas themes. And here are just some great results of what we have here. Again, bringing in some similarities, but definitely bringing in some changes. Now, we can go a step further and really make these different. Again, we can bring in a second image as a secondary reference and really make something drastically new here, and I'll share with you how to do that. But as you can see here, just bringing in a reference image and then remixing that even further is going to bring a lot of lightness, but also some great changes to these designs. But again, the goal here is that we definitely want to be different in regards to our designs, but we definitely want to stay within the bounds of what's working. So the cool thing about this is going back to the niche finder. Again, we found that Christmas designs are doing well. Christmas and coffee. We found all these best-selling designs on here with Etsy, which I think is extremely perfect. But now we can go and find a secondary image to bring in some lightness, to bring in some new elements, some new designs and color styles, to really blend these two best-selling products together to make something drastically new. All right, so here is a design that we can see is a bestseller, is doing extremely well. As we did before, we're going to copy this image. But the cool thing about this is that we're going to jump back into my creative prompt tool. We're going to upload this as the secondary image. And now this is going to bring in some lightness to our design. It's going to bring in some elements to our design. And it's going to bring in just that little bit of difference we need to make our product stand out even more. Now, we have the first image as our primary. Again, the second image as our secondary. Here are the results we gathered just from having the one design image there. Again, you can see a lot of similarities, a lot of lightness from the one design. Let's go ahead and run this 4 variations again to see what we can gather as a result. All right, so as you can see here, we definitely have some differences here. Again, the reference image 1 is going to be our primary design that we're going to extract from for some similarities. But again, with image 2, you can see we're definitely bringing in some gingerbread. We're definitely bringing in some of this holiday background that we don't necessarily see here. And this is also infused into our designs. So you can see definitely how we were able to grab in a secondary image, and it brought in some nice elements, some design styles that infused what we had with our original image here to really create something special and really one of a kind with our designs, because we brought in 2 reference images that we can definitely utilize in our design space. So again, still focusing on the mom and the coffee and Christmas theme here, but you can see there's a lot of different themes and elements brought in from the reference image 2 that can definitely help you create a product that stands out above the rest of the competition, but still bringing some similar design styles from designs that are doing obviously extremely well on Etsy. You can see how we were able to do that here, which I think all of these truly came out fantastic. Again, if these designs are selling well on Etsy and we fuse those 2 things together, we can really make one of a kind designs. Now, with that being said, the cool thing about this creative prompt tool is, again, we utilize image 1 as the main reference, and we can see the results we were able to get from that. But the cool thing here is that without even changing the prompt, we can make this look different as well, because we're going to move image 1 to be actually reference to image 2 simply by dragging the primary and making this the secondary. And now you can see that this image is going to be the primary, which is going to take a lot of design themes from here, and now we're able to create another set of brand new designs, brand new products that's all following best-selling themes that we can start creating and releasing in our shop. So that being said, we can save all 4 these designs simply by clicking on save. It's going to save them all to the same folder. And now we're going to generate 4 new images based upon this new change here, with this being a new reference image, this now being a secondary image. And let's see what we are able to gather as a result. All right, so you can just see how much of a change we were able to get in regards to these designs. And again, we definitely want to infuse these 2 things together to create something new, and we can just see how great of a design that came out in regards to these products here. Again, definitely still bringing in that theme of mom, coffee, and Christmas. I think all of these came out well, but we do see some design changes. We do see some references to the first image that we now have. And again, we can do this for multiple designs and multiple niches, and you can really see how we're able to scale these products very quickly by utilizing this new update in my creative prompt tool. So definitely excited to share this with you. Again, you can see the possibilities and opportunities. And really, if you use the niche finder to jump into different niches, you can definitely combine an evergreen niche with a seasonal product. You can definitely see how we were able to combine top trending designs to start creating things that are truly new and truly one of a kind in regards to our designs on Etsy. Now, again, this specific tool here is within my membership community. Actually, if you jump on the niche finder, which is totally free here to use, and head over to education, all that I offer within my membership community right now is at $37 for the month, but you get so much for the price. You get my 80 video course series, my entire creative prompt tool, which is all of this here with the AI generator, with my new Remix Studio here, where you can utilize all that I talked about in today's video. Again, you have my smart SEO tool and even a deeper research tool with my niche finder here, and so much more. So again, that is all offered within my Etsy membership community. Again, with my membership community, you get 150 design credits monthly to help you generate amazing designs, just like I shared with you in this video. And we have over really 1,000 ready to use templates that was all uploaded by my Etsy membership community. And so again, when someone finds a great design and they definitely want to share it with everyone, you can definitely get the prompt here. Go ahead and remix this even further and start creating your own version of this design. So if you do want to get access to my membership community, I make sure to leave all the details down in my description box below, so you know exactly what comes along with the membership program and how this can help you scale your business. And if you jump on the Niche Master for free, again, you can head over to education, and all this information will be here for you to learn a little bit more. And if you're ready to take the next step in joining our membership community, if you do want to get access to my Niche Master tool, this is absolutely for free. Simply comment in the comment section below the word niche, and I'll send this over to you absolutely for free for a limited amount of time. Again, simply comment the word niche and I'll send this over to you today. And check out this next video here where I share with you another top trend you should start selling on your Etsy shop. As always, my friends, my name is Jay, and I will see you in the next video.